Good morning, friends. This is the October month and winter season is approaching, and this is the right time to grow Coleus. This is the most beautiful foliage plants, most colorful foliage plants you can grow. If you cannot grow flowering plants, you can grow these kinds of Coleus plants. You can see lots of vibrant coloration and the color combination stunning colors, and you have to pinch up time to time so that new branches comes out, and whenever you pinch up and there will be no new branches and you will see the lots of foliage and plants here. So this is the very right time. You just bring any kind of coleus plants. You can see the color pattern, the vibration of the colors and the beautiful combination. Here are around 10 to 12 combinations of color here, but if you want you can get at least 30 to 40 color options in market, but you have to buy it. But today I'll tell you in free of cost you can grow these plants. Before that you have to remove every inflorescence here of the whenever there appears some flower or flower stick or inflorescence, you have to cut it off, because if you do not cut it off then the plant will produce seeds and the plant's growth will be totally hampered. So you have to cut it off properly and you have to keep it in 3 to 4 hours sunlight is necessary, and you have to water it properly. But before that I'll tell you what the food you have to give, what fertilizer you have to give. The best fertilizer is the mustard cake fertilizer that I have fermented 4 days ago. This is the 4 days ago I have fermented. Take a little bit of it and then taking around 2 to 3 liter water, adding around 50 ml of it, and just mix it properly and make it a very thin and very light clay colored. You can see this is the solution, and you have to apply once in 15 days. If you apply this liquid directly on the soil, not on the leaves, directly on the soils, if you apply in once in 15 days, you will see the amazing growth of this coleus plants, and not any other fertilizer you don't need. But if you want any lavish growth, huge growth and very fast growth, and you want lots of branches with very vibrant coloration, then you can add other fertilizer that I'll tell you. Some mixture fertilizer you can also apply, that I am telling you what should be the actual proportion of different organic fertilizer that I am growing today. Just I am showing you how you can grow organically. The mixture fertilizer here, this is the mixture fertilizer that I prepared. 1 part mustard cake, 1 part groundnut cake, 2 parts bone meal and 2 parts leather meal. This is the 4 items that I mixed in this proportion, and keep it in tight lid and bottles, and apply 1 teaspoonful once in 15 days. That will be enough for any plant that we are growing 8-inch pot. And now I'll show you the actual component. This is the mustard cake that I have taken 1 part, and this is the groundnut cake that I have taken another part, that is 25 gram each I have taken. This is 25 gram, this is 25 gram. Third one item is the bone meal. This contains lots of nitrogen and phosphorus, that contain 50 gram, and 50 gram I have taken leather meal. This is also very nice for plants growing. These 4 items I have mixed it properly, and this is the final product after mixing. And I'll be applying 1 teaspoonful in each plant. Just sprinkle this fertilizer mixture of fertilizer around the stem of this plant. This is how you have to apply. Only you have to once in 15 days. If you want, you can till the land here just to proper mixing of this. And every 15 days if you apply, you don't have to apply any other kind, of fertilizer in these plants. And this is the beautiful. And for telling about the propagation, this is the easiest method for propagation. Just take a few stems here, 4 to 5 inch stems or 3 to 5 inch length stem, cut it off with a sharp blade, new blade, and that I am taking some of these stems here. And whenever I am taking stems, there from the below you can see lots of new branches will come out. And I am growing it in maybe in river sand, and coarse river sand, yellow river sand, or directly in soil also. So this is the river sand. Just water it properly, and in front you can see this is the only garden soil. So in any media, in river sand or in garden soil, you can push it down. And in sand I am making some holes here. I am pushing down this cutting here around 1 inch deep. You have to push the cutting down in 1 inch and fill up with this sand here. So this is how you can push it down and keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, and within 5 to 7 days you will see lots of branches of roots will come out. They will take root. This is the another portion cutting I am growing. Keep it in semi-shaded for 4 to 5 days, and that is enough, and they will take root nicely. And again in soil I am pushing it down, and after 5 days you will see the emerging roots from here. So this is how you have to keep it in semi-shade area for a couple of days, and after you can keep it in full sunlight, and you will see the beautiful glowing, beautiful leaves and beautiful stems, and you can grow in 5 to 7 inch pot. So this is how. And if you want, you can spray insecticide, any kind of insecticide, once in 15 days, and they will be control all your insects. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you have to like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us.